Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl, Elaine Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, stop what you're doing, click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you do not miss any more of my videos. All right, so I got my Planning Queen box from Golden Plans Co. I'm so excited to be able to support someone. Like, I am excited. Like, I love her stickers and stuff anyways. I missed out on the first box because I didn't have quick fingers, but after I saw Chiquisha with it, I was like, oh, I've got to get this box. I've got to get my hands on it. So I made it onto the wait list, and I got on there and I got it, and I'm excited. So anyways, this is the Planning Queen. This is a mystery subscription box by Golden Plans Co. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is the second release of the box. So if you want to see another one, I will have that linked to like the end of the video, or even I'll try to add a card up here if I can remember. But this is her second box for this year, so I'm really excited. And this is Sophie. Is it Sophie or Sophia? I always get that mixed up, but this is Cutie Pie, Honey Bunch, and all of that to me, because she is so cute. Like, look at this little crown and her face. Like, her eyes are just beautiful, like everything. And if y'all notice, she got curves. Okay, I'm here for it. All right, so I have not looked at this box or anything, so we gonna go with these raw emotions out here. Okay, wow. Wow. All right, I'm already seeing stuff. I'm like, okay. Oh, look at this. Look at this pen. This is so stinking cute, and it has Golden Plans Co. on it. Let's see if I can open it. Ooh, that's fancy. Oh, that's fancy. Look at that. And it has Golden Plans Co. on it. So cute. And it looks like it's kind of going with the theme of everything here. So this is the pink, which is very much so like summer, spring vibes, all of that. And then we have some washi that says Planner Girl. You guys can see that. Cute. And then we have, oh, we got a kit. Oh, child. Look at this kit. Ooh. Now she know how to do it with these colors too. Like, her color schemes and stuff be amazing. And y'all know this paper is like, I'm always thinking it's way more stickers in there than what it is, because it's so, oh, the feel is just so buttery and so soft. Like, I love it. I love it so much. But okay, so here's the kit. And this is the April mystery box kit. I wonder, does it have like another name to it? But this is cute. We're gonna call it flowers and all that and all that. And then, oh, wait a minute. Do y'all see her? Do y'all see her? With her short cut and her off the shoulder crop top and probably a skirt going down. Yes, I'm here for it. I am here for it. Okay, and then this one is like the deco and your trackers and your littles. I like it. Oh, I like it like that. Y'all know I'm always looking to see what washi I got to go with this. And then these are your glitter headers and your what do they call these? Littles? Are these the little? No, those are littles. So these are like your, y'all know what I'm talking about. Them boxes right there. I always get them torn up. And these are your littles. And then your half boxes here. And it does have some, like, a glittery print on those too. I don't know if you guys can see that to the best of its ability. And then we have our ombre heart checklist. Y'all know how I feel about those. But I've actually been doing better. Been doing better with them. So, you know, I may try to, you know, make it go, do what it do. And then we have our washi strips. This is a washi strip. Like, let me see. Ugh. Okay, let me pull it. I'm trying to make sure I pull it off correctly, because I don't want to have to do no surgeries or whatnot. But this is a washi strip right here for you to use at the bottom of your planner. And then up here, like, you have to be real careful, but it's another, like, this is the other small part of the washi right here. And then these ones are like little washi strips. Hopefully, I don't want to bend the paper, but just trying to give you an example of what it is. So those are like little washi strips. And then you have your date covers, which I know if they comes with date covers, I'm here for it. So that is the kit that you get with this April subscription box. So let me just put that, you know, I'm gonna leave that out because I'm probably gonna take a picture of it. And then you get these die cuts. Oh yes, come through. I think if my head was smaller, y'all, I would definitely be on this page of this girl right here, because I absolutely love a shortcut. And like, maybe when I lose all this weight or whatever, I may try it then, because I did have a very short cut before, but it's so easy to maintain for the most part, kind of. Okay, maybe not really, but it's so cute. Okay, and look at these little die cuts. Oh, Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Oh my goodness. These flowers. So cute. This basket. Oh, I love it so much. Look at her. Look at her. Okay, look at this planner. And then the washi. The washi. And the bike. Oh. And this pavilion. I'm going to say a pavilion, but I feel like it's called something else. What is this called? Y'all let me know what it's called down there. I'm going to call it a pavilion for now. Alright. So those are our die cuts. Ooh wee. Those are too cute. And I haven't, did I change my, I'm trying to think, did I change my inserts for this month already? Because that might be coming up for May. I'm going to have to see what's shaking because that's cute. And I see something else in this box I'm getting excited about. Okay. Let's see what this is. Oh, we get the doll stickers. Wow. Okay, so you get these dolls. You get 2 of them on the page, on that one. And then you get her on the little swing. That's so cute. And then her by herself, looking all cute with her flower top and all that. And then look at this. This is cute. I have not seen this. I wonder, is this going to be like a new character she's going to have or something? This is so cute. And you have your mouth liners, your cart, all of like your little planning stuff. Oh, this is so stinking cute. Look at the washi. Look how the washi bends up there. Like, I am here for it. Super cute. Okay, so you get the stickers and stuff on the side too. I'm going to stick those right over there to the side. And then you get this. Girl, is this a bag? Like, is this a bag? Like a whole bag? Girl! Oh, I'm glad I opened this up before my trip, honey. Yes! Look at her! She about to keep all the things protected. Child, this thing almost as big as the box. I'm here for it. I thought maybe it was like a t-shirt or something. This is a bag, baby. You can stick all of your planner things inside of this bag. I'm here for it. Oh, this is gonna come in so, yes. And right before I get ready to pack up and go out of town, this is going to be perfect. I can fit things in here. I'm gonna have to make sure I line it though, because depending on what I decide to put in it, like I want to make sure I keep it protected. Oh wait, this is cute. And it says Planner Girl on there. I'm sorry, I just got all out of whatever. And it has Sophie on there and the flowers, and it's just the detail on this thing. Oh my gosh, it's so vibrant and so springy. I'm here for it. Like, this is beautiful, and the size of it is everything. This is I wanted to show my other bag, the one I carry currently, but I don't have it, so you guys can get a size representation. But oh my goodness, y'all, like this this here, wow, I'm here for it. All right, and then it looks like the last thing in here are the papers. So let's see what papers we got. And this is what I love. I wish that A5 size, I'm gonna make it shake though, because I'm in my A5. It's hard to do a lot of things because you want it to be a little bit longer than just a regular sheet of paper. But what I'm learning is that I can kind of cut it and then stick it inside of my dashboards. So I may be doing that. So this is so cute. You get double-sided. Look at that. Here for it. And then these flowers. Oh, the flowers and the bicycles. Oh, goodness. Okay. And then this looks like, oh, wait. What in the world kind of top is this? Acid? This ain't even acetate. This is vellum. This vellum so thick, baby. You ain't got to worry about it tearing or nothing, honey. This ain't going nowhere. This is cardstock with a see-through background. That's all that is. This is amazing. Never have I ever felt anything of this. Like, y'all hear that? Wow. Okay. And then this is the last paper, which has this design, and then this one on the back. So look at all of this stuff, and I was going to try to pull up, let's see if I can pull it up really quickly, how much it costs. Let's see my receipts, if I can go to my receipts on my phone. I should have had that up and ready before I got on here, but y'all know how it goes. Okay, so this costs all of $39.90, and that's with the shipping included. So the box is just $34.95, and it is a bi-monthly box. So you're not getting it every single month. This is a bi-monthly box, and it came up to $39.90 with shipping. So that makes me really happy. So this is all the stuff that you get for basically $35. You get your papers, you get a bag, you get your sticker girls, you get your die cuts, a full kit, which normally I think her full kits are about 20-ish anyways. I want to say like 20, 22 or something like that. So you get those, and then you get a pen to go along with it, and some washi. So y'all can't tell me this ain't worth it. Like, this is really worth it, especially if you're just trying to get into something and get to try different things out, which is what I like doing. I like trying different things, and you know, as long as I can afford it, then I do it. If I can't afford it, I won't. You know what I'm saying? That's how life goes. But this was definitely worth my coin. It was a great spin and a great buy. I'm so excited to have this. Thank you so much, Dominique, for creating this kit and doing your best, and you know, just continuing to go and grow. Like, I'm here for it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check her out. You can go to the link down below and see if you're able to sign up. I'm not sure, but definitely be on the lookout for Golden Plans Co. and what she has in store. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye.